Challenge, see Aristotle.
Challenge to what?
Cometh the day of reckoning. Each man, the architect of his own fate.
Why you know the sit up?
Charlie, I'm not go through after stuff yet. Just check out the time too.
With time you had the paper tomorrow.
Charlie, 8:30 a.m. sharp.
Para yamo.
Charlie, and I feel bed safe already. What kind of life crab it is?
State Maslow's theory of needs and explain.
Maslow believes that man's needs are hierarchical or graded. At the bottom of all things are his needs for clothing, food, and shelter. Then comes security. After security, man starts developing an ego.
Okay.
And this is manifested in the rapid acquisition of material things like cars, jewelry, art, and the like.
Not only material, but also titles, accolade roles. Again, art and jewelry can be classified under the security bracket.
Yep, you're right. But there's also a possibility for an individual to move from being, straight from being secure to self-actualization. And self-actualization is where the individual engages in community work, charity, public office, and the like, without a profit motive.
A closeness to God, mankind's true destiny.
I must say that was a very good rendition of Maslow.
Compliments accepted.
He who possesses art and science also has religion. But he who possesses neither of those two, let him have religion.
Nawala.
Bro Martin, if you inculcate the habit by studying with me, I think it will be okay. Anyway, I'm highly impressed. I'm motivated.
Look, there's a time for everything. This is a time to study. That's why I study. Nobody say you wait.
That's great. I wish it continues.
Continue for the way. Learning is not big giddy. It be stra. Look, it takes genius like us to combine chilling and academic work. You know, say you know be one so.
And when is your first paper?
About now, 9 o'clock, I think. Yeah.
You don't mean it. You must be putting a lot of pressure on your sensory memory. And that is not good enough for your memory system. You may even end up jamming all the information gathered. You should be resting by now.
Look, don't worry about me. After all, the emergency system is around, if you know what I mean.
That means?
Oh, emergency as it be, emergency as it. Why you don't know the stra?
Anyway, be careful and tread cautiously. I'll pray for you too.
Pray for yourself. Look, in an examination, if the lecturer confuses you, you to confuse them with your handwriting and presentation, you know, Wagadre.
God have mercy. And who loses then?
They. How do you think I got here in the first place? I go teach you, you will last, right? I make busy.
Some say tea, some say tea. Some say tea, some say tea. Some say tea, some say tea.
Godfred. What am I going to do? I'm going to chop the quiet to the garage.
please shut my door.
Jonathan, don't you have exams this afternoon?
I have applied physics in approximately 3 hours.
What am I saying? You dancing?
Free my mind. Come on. I have to relax my brain cells for the arduous task ahead.
Okay. I need some little tutorials for tomorrow's statistics.
Indeed. Try me later this evening. I can't involve myself into any mental gymnastics until after the paper.
Okay. But yeah, bro, this boy is weird.
Wait. I have some solved questions here. They're self-explanatory.
Thank you. Good luck.
Merci beaucoup, mon ami. Allez. Why are you fighting me like that?
Escape, shut up.
Charlie, shut up.
Be fear, no. Be fear.
Charlie, you look boy.
You talk about this one. Are we all here? Oh, the two musketeers. Marlon and Martin, come over. You guys were trying to avoid me or something? Okay. Martin. Okay. Can we have some silence here, ladies and gentlemen? Yes. As I go distributing your papers, I don't want any communication whatsoever to take place. This is a 2-hour paper. You start only on my orders. Meanwhile, you can write down your names and index numbers and even quietly read through the questions. All other rules governing university examinations apply here. Do you understand? Yes.
Maza, Yisuku Kaba. Sun City. Sun City. Shine your light. Place your lamp on the table for us to see. Sun City. Let your light shine on every land and sea. Sun City. Reach out to...
Ladies and gentlemen, you have 45 minutes more.
Madam. Paper.
Sir,
Yes.
is it possible to reduce the temperature in the room?
Sorry, Mike. The temperature is 18 degrees Celsius. You know what that means?
Sir, and can I get a glass of water, please? I mean a very cold one.
Sir,
Yes.
please, can I use the bathroom?
Come with me.
Okay, sir.
Where have they hidden the thing? This is nonsense behavior. See, I'll be a good man to report them.
Signima noye, insisuanze kole nohi, ewo kasemo.
Young man, what's that? Bring it. Please, John, come over.
Gentlemen.
Look, Mr. Opoku, what? You have to come with me. This is unpardonable.
Madam,
John, handle this place for me. I have to take this guy off.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is a warning to every one of you. Well, you have 20 minutes more, and good luck.
People will not allow me to study. Oh. Yeah, Butama, Kwamona, one of no. Hello.
Kojo, you have to come home immediately.
Hey, relax. Take heart. What is it?
Kwame has been admitted at the hospital, and Amma has been sent home for school fees. And right now, the electricity people, they've just disconnected the lights.
Relax. Okay, so, what do we do?
I don't know what to do. That's why I called you, and you are asking me what do we do.
Okay, you see, the problem is this. We have started exams, and indeed, I have a paper this afternoon in 2 hours' time.
So you want me to solve all these problems myself? Please, Kwejo, which one is important? Your family or the exams?
Blow. The body the other no. Huh? What is wrong with Kwame?
The malaria got worse, so I took him to the hospital, and he was admitted. The doctor says he's dehydrated.
Okay. What about you? You see, I will go to the hospital after the exam. Thereafter, I will come home and give you a check to cover the school fees. Okay?
What about the electricity?
I thought you could take care of that one. Oh.
Kojo, I'm short. You know, all my money goes into food. Anyway, I'll see what I can do.
Thank you, dear. I'll see you later then. I hope Kwame will be very fine. I'll see you later, okay?
Okay, bye-bye.
Via na sonko egba over kai ha over kai ho abon wan to ya ni magoma hasamu ho
Sir.
Yes.
Can I please visit the washroom?
Okay, come on.
Sinyimoloye intisyanze kolye nohi ewo kasemo Tesuku maza maza Yisuku kaba kaba Sun City Sun City Sun City Shine your light.
Attention, ladies and gentlemen. 5 minutes more, and you must be getting ready to stop work. Make sure your name, index number, course, and all the relevant details appear on your answer booklet or the supplementary sheets. When I say stop work, I mean stop work. Gentlemen. 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 Have you finished?
No, madam, I'm dreaming of ideas.
Are you sick?
No, madam, but I'm not well.
Oh, I see. Youth of today, unfortunate.
Sinyimanoye intisyanze kolye nohi ewo kasemo Tesuku maza maza Yisuku kaba kaba Sun City Sun City Sun City.
Ladies and gentlemen,
shine your light.
Come to the crossing of the Rubicon. The die is cast. Please stop work. Remain in your seats whilst the scripts are collected. Martin, I said stop work.
Charlie, today who will go with the time for them?
Charlie, I leave on to God. I leave on for God.
I miss you, but Charlie, I don't feel I want to solve.
Gentlemen, how was your paper? Were you able to write anything at all? Akpalaga komiami. Yekwe. Why are you guys dumb? Can't you speak?
Charlie, be like mango trail and pepper soup. See, my emergency system will feel be like the code you lost.
Charlie, that thing be bad, man. This man be wicked. Ooh. Charlie, the question is bring teachers oneself.
Oneself?
And who told you that a university education was about oneself? What did you or oneself, whatever. But I can come up for the
so why you figure say the lecturers them day? If you go feel like that, then why them they
the way I mean myself.
Guy. Charlie, then the world make him like 4 square.
Charlie, but the person be fucking.
Hey, I can't that. He left small like I not go think I'm the class again. Like I go think for the one time.
Alright.
Hey. But the guy who do this thing, they be wicked though.
Charlie, like you go where I follow up where I catch him.
What they do me for you? See, I don't feel right. I don't feel right to myself.
You are listening to the #1 radio station on campus, Sunny FM, transmitting on 99.2 on your dial. Forgive us, you classical lovers, as we take this very important announcement. Following an emergency meeting held by the University Academic Council and in collaboration with the VC, it has been decided that Mr. Opoku Boating, a third-year computer science major, be summarily dismissed for gross examination malpractice. The university has had to take this very painful and wasteful decision to to safeguard the reputations of the rest of you here, those before you.
Can you sow thorns and reap grapes?
Generations unborn. The university takes a very stern example.